Are you also having an online photography course business? Then this video is for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chartflow. In this video we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your online photography course business. For example, you have an online photography course business in where your users can book a free demo class, explore courses and get contact details. Responding each and every user manually is a time consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chartflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your online photography course business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of online photography course, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Lenscraft online photography classes. Turn your passion into pictures anytime, anywhere. How can we help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is explore courses, book free demo and contact us. If I'll click on explore courses, then you can see it will provide me all the courses details they are offering to their user. If I'll click on book free demo, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provided. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that please select your preferred course to book your free demo. While providing me 3 different types of courses, that is DSLR photography, mobile photography and photo editing. If I'll click on DSLR photography, then you can see it will ask me for preferred date for booking. So here I am giving them one date. Here I provided. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan. Your free demo class is confirmed for date 30/6/2025. That I have given them here, and you can also see the bot will respond to me by my name. Now if I'll click on contact us, then you can see it will provide me all the contact details of this Lenscraft online photography classes. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your online photography course business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chartflow. Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chartflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chartflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chartflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chartflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the Flow Builder page, where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our online photography course business, so here I am providing a name, here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your user that they will send to your WhatsApp business account of online photography course. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image related to my online photography course by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I upload this image here because it sounds impactful and interesting towards my user. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. You can also write caption in this enter caption box. See, here I write it. At the end of this message, I'll ask my user that how can we help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as explore courses. The second button I'll write as book free demo. And the third button I'll write as contact us. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my users. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now, if my users wants to explore the courses that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the courses. Here I write it. Now the next one is the book free demo. If my users wants to book a free demo in my online photography course, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as ask a question. Here I'll take this button because at first I want to know the name of my user. For that, I'll take this question box. Here I write it. You can see I'll write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my user in the bold format. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chartflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book free demo to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my users will provide me their full name, then I want them to select the course for that they want to book a free demo. So for this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message as please select your preferred course to book your free demo. So for that, I am providing them 3 types of course that are available in my online photography course business. I am clicking on this plus add button. See, here I provided, that is DSLR photography, mobile photography and photo editing. Now if my user will select any of these courses, then my bot will ask them about the preferred date for booking a free demo. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button. Drag this question box here and writing a message as please share your preferred demo date to help us schedule your session. Now in this select contact custom field, I'll select as date. The format I'll select as date. Number of attempt will be 1, and if you want to write any message, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message because whenever my user will select any of these courses, then my bot will ask them about the preferred date for booking a free demo in my online photography course. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, select the course and also provide the date for booking a session, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. See, here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name and date also, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users by their name. As different users have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. Now the last one is the contact us. If my users wants to directly contact with me as they want a contact details of my online photography course business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my online photography course business. You can also add many things into your chatbots. The steps would be the same. Here I write the contact details. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your online photography course business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your users like this. It will provide them all the course details, book free demo classes, and also provide your contact information within a second. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chartflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chartflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chartflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chartflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.